Here we are at the Sports Data Query Group's active trends page in Major League Baseball on Monday, September the 5th. Lots of interesting trends active today on Labor Day. Let's go with the Marlins. Play against the Marlins at home off a walk-off loss. Marlins have 12 straight losses in this situation. The SDQL, team equals Marlins. Capital H for home. Previous opponent had a walk-off win. WOW. Marlins 0-12 in this situation. Each of the last 6 by multiple runs. Today's SDQL query indicates a play against the Marlins, hence on the Philadelphia Phillies. For complete access to all of the Sports Data Query Group's trends today, just click on the Trend Mart right here. You can get complete access for 1 day for $17 in web debit value, a week for $77, a month for $177. Thanks for watching.